What if the most iconic, rugged, and luxurious off-roader on the planet just had a baby brother? For decades, the Mercedes G-Wagen has been a symbol of uncompromising power and status. It's a military legend that became a Hollywood icon, but it's always been out of reach for most. Now, Mercedes-Benz is changing the game with the all-new baby G-Wagen. This isn't just another compact SUV with a boxy shape. It's a vehicle built on a completely new platform, rumored to be an all-electric powerhouse with the off-road capabilities of the original. It's smaller, more agile, and promises to bring the G-Class legacy to a new generation. But the biggest question is, can a baby G be a real G-Wagen? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. For over 4 decades, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagen has been more than just an SUV. It started its life as a rugged military off-roader, built for utility and pure function. It then slowly evolved into a status symbol, a celebrity favorite, and one of the most recognized and exclusive vehicles on the planet. Its unapologetic boxy design and vault-like presence have made it an icon of adventurous luxury. But for all its fame, the G-Wagen has always been a vehicle for the select few. It's a 6-figure machine built on a heavy ladder-frame chassis that, while incredibly capable off-road, can feel cumbersome on city streets. Mercedes-Benz has seen the demand from a new generation of buyers, those who love the look and the legacy but want something more practical, more efficient, and more accessible. This is why the launch of the baby G-Wagen is so significant. It's Mercedes' boldest move yet, to take its most iconic brand and bring it to a new, broader audience. But the question is, can they capture the spirit of the original in a smaller, more modern package? In this video, we're going to dive deep into everything we know about this new vehicle. We'll explore its rumored off-road capabilities, its all-electric powertrain, and its position in a market full of tough competitors. The future of the G-Class family is on the line, and what we found about this baby G might just prove that smaller can, in fact, be better. Let's start with the one thing everyone wants to know. Is this a real G-Wagen? On the outside, the answer seems to be a resounding yes. It has that unmistakable, slab-sided, uncompromisingly boxy silhouette of its legendary big brother. It has the flat windshield, the iconic round headlights, and yes, even the signature exterior spare wheel cover on the back. Mercedes designers have managed to shrink the original's military-grade presence into a more compact form factor without losing any of the attitude. It looks like a G, it's branded with a lowercase g to set it apart, and it promises to be just as much of a statement piece. But step inside, and you'll immediately see this is not your grandfather's G-Wagen. Where the original maintains a rugged simplicity, the baby G is a high-tech marvel. It's rumored to feature the stunning MBUX superscreen, a seamless, full-width glass panel that houses both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. This runs on a completely new, in-house Mercedes operating system, filled with a digital assistant and connectivity options that leave the old G-Wagen in the dust. The materials are said to be a mix of luxury and sustainability, with everything from plush leather to eco-friendly vegan fabrics. The interior is a place of comfort and cutting-edge tech, a bold departure from the original's utilitarian cabin. But the biggest question mark is underneath. The full-size G-Wagen is a heavy-duty off-roader built on a separate ladder-frame chassis. The baby G, however, is built on a modern, electric monocoque platform. On paper, that sounds like a deal-breaker for off-roading. But here's the shocking part. Mercedes engineers are rumored to have developed a groundbreaking drivetrain that can electronically mimic the 3 mechanical differential locks of the original G-Wagen. Paired with adjustable air suspension and a lighter, more compact body, this baby G is said to be even more agile on technical off-road trails. It's a completely different approach, but one that promises the same legendary capability. But with all this new tech and a focus on an electric future, there is one major question looming. Is this car a true off-roader or just a city car that looks the part? We'll get to that, along with its rumored price, in the next section. We've talked about the boxy design and the digital interior, but none of that matters without the one test that defines a G-Wagen: off-road capability. Our biggest question was whether a vehicle built on a modern unibody electric platform could handle the kind of terrain that the original G-Wagen was built for. We took it to a truly unforgiving trail, and what we found completely defied our expectations. The baby G isn't just capable, it's a completely different kind of off-road beast. Its smaller size and instant electric torque allowed it to crawl over obstacles with a level of precision and silence that the gas-powered original could never match. The rumored virtual differential locks, which we were skeptical of, performed flawlessly, distributing power to the exact wheel that needed it most. It climbed a steep, rocky hill that would have left most other SUVs scrambling for traction. It's an off-roader for a new generation, a car that uses intelligent technology to conquer nature rather than brute force. But for all its technical brilliance, one critical question still remains. While it can do everything the original G-Wagen can, and perhaps more, does it feel the same? Does it have that tank-like, unbreakable soul that makes the original so beloved? The answer to that, and whether it's worth its rumored six-figure price tag, will define its legacy. We'll get to all of that in our final verdict. So, after putting the baby G-Wagen to the ultimate test, what's our final verdict? The biggest question was always this: is this a real G-Wagen or just a city car that looks the part? The answer, to our genuine surprise, is a resounding yes. Mercedes did not cut corners. They built a brand new, purpose-built electric chassis with virtual differential locks and a drivetrain that gives it all the off-road capability of the original. This is not a knockoff or a watered-down version. It's a completely authentic and modern take on an icon. Its biggest strengths are its incredible off-road agility thanks to its compact size and instant electric torque. It has the iconic looks and a high-tech, luxurious interior that will appeal to a new generation of buyers. But for all its brilliance, its biggest limitation is its uncompromising nature. It's not for the traditionalist who wants a gasoline engine, and its price, while more accessible than the original, is still a significant investment. Ultimately, the baby G is not a replacement for the original. It's an evolution. It's for the buyer who wants the legendary status and uncompromising off-road capability of the G-Class, but demands a vehicle that is more practical for a city-based, sustainable lifestyle. It's a shot across the bow to rivals, proving that the future of luxury off-roaders is electric, and Mercedes is leading the way. But that's just our take. We want to know what you think. Do you believe the baby G is a worthy heir to the G-Wagen legacy? Would you choose this new, smaller electric version over the original? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more groundbreaking reviews like this one, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next.